Hello. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you two different methods for uploading documents to your Blackboard course. The first will be using an option called an item. An item allows you to place text, images, or hyperlinks in addition to uploading a file into your course for students to see and download. The next option will be using what is called a file. The file option is simply a link that allows your students to download a file that you've attached. You can attach just about any document type that you'd like your students to download. Both of these options can be found only within a content area. Today, we'll be working in the information content area you see on your screen. Let's start with building an item. Hover your mouse over the Build Content drop-down menu. Now click Item from the menu that appears. This action will take you to the Create Item page. Here, you will be required to provide a name for your item. Below that, you will see a text box where you can add text, images, and/or hyperlinks. Now, if we scroll down the page a little bit further, you'll see that you have an attachment section with a Browse My Computer button. This will be where you actually make your attachment. It's very similar to placing an attachment to an email. You'll click Browse My Computer, select your file, hit Save, and it will appear right here. As you scroll down, at the very bottom of the page, you will see standard options. These standard options control if and when students can see the information that you've added. Just a quick note about these options. You have to select Yes in the space asking to permit users to view this content if you'd like any of the date restrictions below to come into play. Once you finish making all your selections, click Submit, and you will be taken back to the content area where you can see your new item. Alright, now let's go ahead and build a file. Hover your mouse over the Build Content drop-down, and this time, click File. This action will take you to the Create File page, where you will provide a name and upload the file you'd wish to share with your students. Note, the title you provide here does not have to be the exact same name as the file you upload. As you scroll down, you'll see the standard options that we talked about earlier in regards to the students being able to access this file. Once you've selected all your options, go ahead and click Submit at the bottom of the page. Again, you get taken back to the content area where you'll see your file. This presentation has been brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning.